My name is Sean. I'm a teacher at Abhishek Coaching. Okay, I teach public speaking and grammar. Everybody can hear me well, right?
Yeah.
But we all need to see where the dice falls, okay? Whenever you're ready, you can go. Jacob, you can go first. I will roll for everybody else.
Okay. 1.
You got 1?
Yes.
Okay. Which one were you?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus, right? Okay, so you're on a shirt. Now you need to make a sentence with that. When you wear this, make a nice elaborate sentence about your picture, okay? Using the correct grammar.
When I wear a shirt, I feel warm. Oh.
Okay, when I wear a shirt, I feel warm, sure. I usually wear a shirt during spring or during fall because it's nice and cool, right?
I normally wear a shirt during fall.
Right, that's okay, no problem. Okay, next is brother and sister. Let's go. Okay, 5. Who is first? The brother or sister who's first? Is Nair and Gug. Who's first?
Me. No, Alex.
We're going down like this. Yeah, we're going down like this. Sorry, Alex. This time you'll be last. The next one you'll be first, okay, Alex?
Then you, then brother.
Okay, who is it? Brother or sister?
I can beat it first.
You can be the first. Okay, so you got 5. I rolled for you. Are you Dobby or are you Ron?
I am Toby.
You're Dobby. Okay, so you're on 5. You skip the bomb and you're there. Now I want you to make a sentence with shorts. Okay?
I don't understand.
Okay. So shorts, you can just follow me. Let me help you with a sentence, okay? In summer, right?
In summer,
I wear shorts.
I wear first.
Yeah, we cannot wear shorts in winter, right, everybody?
I am blue first.
Can we?
I am blue shorts.
You have blue shorts.
First.
Okay, can we wear shorts in the winter, guys?
No.
Everybody? No, we can't. It's too cold, right? So we need to wear shorts in the summer, right? Next is the brother's turn. Let's see. Gug, you also got 1. Sorry, Gug. You're on a shirt. Just there with Optimus. Gug, you can say, when do you wear a shirt? In summer, winter, spring, fall?
In summer.
In summer, yeah?
Yes.
It's not very hot in Armenia in summer.
Yes, it is hot.
It is. Wouldn't you rather wear a t-shirt?
Yes.
Yeah, rather wear a t-shirt, right? If it's cool in fall, it's okay. Right, then you can wear it, but that's okay. Next one is Brooke. I'm gonna roll for you, okay, Brooke?
Okay.
Why do you also get 1? You got the penguin, right? The baby penguin, the chick, yeah? You also got shirt, okay. And I want you to make a sentence with shirt. You choose something different. Whatever it is, as long as it's correct grammar, okay?
Okay. I am saving up for a brand new shirt.
You're saving up for a brand new shirt. Let me guess, is it Gucci? What is it?
It's Ardene's.
It's what?
Ardene.
Oh, I don't even know that. I must get out more, right? Okay. Good. Next is Taylor. Let's see what Taylor gets. Which one were you? You were the bigger penguin, right? Okay. You can make any sentence there for me. Taylor, anything at all.
Well,
Hi, it's your turn. You can make a sentence for me, okay? Any sentence. Tell me about your interests or something. Just use the correct grammar, okay?
I wear shorts in the summer.
In summer. Okay, wear shorts in summer. Okay, you see what I mean? Next one, we're gonna have to turn it up and make it a little bit funny. Okay?
Can I say
Yeah, you can say.
I have shorts on my head?
On your head, right? Yeah, through your ponytails, right? Your pigtails. Huh? Yeah, you can put shorts on your pigtails and they can hang out like that. Yeah. That can look quite funny. Awesome. Okay, Alex, it's your turn. Let's see what you get. Why? Why do I still have a Harry Potter and a Pikachu? Alex is Pikachu. Who's Harry Potter? Nobody, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye, Harry Potter.
Me. Me.
Huh?
Me. Me.
No, you're not Harry Potter. You are Dobby. This is you right here. You want to be Harry Potter? We can change it. Sure. Okay,
Yes.
let's change it. You can be Harry Potter, okay? Then we take Dobby away. Okay, great. Last one was Alex. Alex, you got one. Alex, you can make a sentence for me there, please, okay?
Can I say?
You can just make any sentence. I like going to a theme park. I like going to Disneyland. And when I go there, I wear a pink shirt.
I like to go to Canada's Wonderland.
Oh, Alice in Wonderland.
Ride roller coasters.
I go ride the roller coaster. Yeah. Are you tall enough to ride the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Awesome. Look, when I was in China, let me go show you. I went on one of these things. You guys know what this is, a glass bridge. And it's so hilarious.
Oh, no.
So hilarious. If you see the people go on here, they have these 3D glass, like, you know, and it looks like it cracks when you walk.
Yeah, it makes a sound.
Like, wow.
That would scare me.
I'm also quite terrified of heights, but you know, I do this just to try it. You know?
That is a long bridge.
Yeah, it is quite long. Do you guys know the movie Avatar?
Yeah.
But I haven't watched it.
Yeah, you haven't watched it, right? Nobody's watched it. Who's watched Avatar? Nobody.
Ayo. Yes.
Did you know that this movie was made also? This movie was made in China.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it was made here in this national park of China. It's so cool if you look at the mountains. But these mountains don't actually float, right? The movie was just designed to make it look like they float. Okay. Awesome. Okay, let's play one more round. I'm gonna get out this book. Where is it now? Here. About ocean animals. Okay. We're gonna each read, try to read one sentence. Okay, I want us to read. Everybody, can you see that animal first there? What animal is that? Who knows? This black and white animal, what is it?
Orca.
It's an orca, right? Yes. Orcas are related to what? To which animal in the ocean? Yes, Brooke?
Whales.
To whales. Okay, they're actually big dolphins, right? But they do look a lot like. Who likes orcas? You like orcas? Yeah. Did you watch Free Willy? You guys are way too young for that, I'm sure. Probably. I remember watching it when I was your age, so that makes sense. Okay. What is your favorite ocean animal?
Fish.
Fish. What kind of fish? You know, there are many kind of fish. Which one do you like?
Striped fish.
Striped fish. Okay, you like striped fish. Great, Alex. Okay, tell me, do you know if a fish is a mammal or a non-mammal? Let me tell you real quick, Alex, mammals don't lay eggs, okay?
Okay.
Very rare that you find one. I think duckbills do, but duckbills are mammals, but that's a scarcity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, a non-mammal is something like a bird that lays eggs. Yeah? Okay, so favorite ocean animal next. Sister and brother, what's your favorite ocean animal?
My favorite is dolphin.
Is a dolphin. Oh, they're so cool. Majestic animals. I love dolphins. They are so smart. Yeah? Yeah, dolphins are amazing. Okay, great. Good. What about you?
Fishes.
Fish. You also like fish? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you also like fish. Great. Awesome. Taylor, how about you?
I love jellyfish.
Why on earth would you like jellyfish? They're so dangerous.
Kill you.
Yeah. Why do you like them?
I think she said because they're pretty.
Maybe because they look pretty, right? Yeah. If sometimes if there is a luminescent beach and you see a jellyfish, it would look cool. Have you seen that before?
Run.
Bioluminescent beach.
Is it with blue sand?
Yeah, sometimes the you see, there we go, bioluminescent.
Yeah,
You
I've seen that
see?
before.
So these are actually tiny little animals, ocean animals that make these lights because the waves move them. If the waves move, as long as the oceans move them, they make this light. Okay, they give off this light. It's actually really cool. Just like fireflies, you know?
I'm gonna take a net and catch a bunch of them.
Really cool. If you go walk there, even where you walk, they will follow you. You know, the light, you will see the light, it will follow you. It'll look real cool. Yeah? Okay, bioluminescent. Okay. Next we got Rook, yeah?
I like starfish and blue ring octopuses or octopi.
Cool. That's really cool.
Which
Nice.
is so dangerous.
I know.
Which
I just think they're really pretty.
Yeah. I like the can't remember, it's called some kind of camouflaging octopus. This octopus can turn itself to look like other ocean creatures. It's so cool. Okay, that's cool. Do you know something special about the starfish?
I know it has suction cups on it,
Yeah,
so it can stick to things.
of course. Very good. Yeah, and
And I think they have a mouth right in the center, but I don't know.
okay. Don't they have the same ability as some lizards that can grow back their limbs?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, some of them can do that, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Awesome, Brooke. That's a cool animal. Okay, Jacob.
Favorite ocean animal
Yeah.
is probably shrimp.
Shrimp. I like shrimp because I can eat it. Yeah. If we talk about things we can eat, I would say the same one. Yeah, that's amazing. I like shrimp. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. I'm gonna finish the reading. Everybody listen, because I want to focus on some grammar. Okay. Some simple grammar just for tonight. Okay. There we go. Orcas. Orcas are ocean mammals. Orcas eat fish and other animals. They live in families. They swim fast. And these families are called pods. They swim fast. Kirill is in the ocean. He's scuba diving. He's studying orcas. The orcas are curious. They watch him. Do this. Okay. They watch him. He studies them. Malenka has a special camera. She needs it to take photos underwater. We come to the ocean every day, says Malenka. The orcas know us. They aren't scared. Some people are scared of orcas. They call them killer whales, but I'm not scared of them. They don't hurt me. Okay, so we're just going to look at some pronouns, okay? Let's just see who can guess the correct one. The orcas watch him is Curl. Who can read the second one for me? Jacob?
Milka isn't afraid of
Who is the them that they're talking about? This them is who?
the orca.
No, it's the orcas. Okay, them is the orcas. Very good. Who wants to try one? Okay, Brooke.
The orcas know us. Curl and Malenka?
The orcas know. Yes, it must be. The orcas know us. Curl and Malenka. That must be us. That's correct. Very good, Brooke. Okay, Alex. Yeah, Alex. Alex, you need me to help you? Let's try. Read with me, okay? The orcas
The orcas
don't hurt her.
don't hurt her.
Who is this her? Who is that? The orcas don't hurt her. Because Curl is the boy. Look here. Curl is the boy. Can you see? There's Curl. He's the boy. So who's the girl then?
Make Milenka.
Malenka, right? Yeah, Malenka. Let's start from the top. We start from the bottom. We go up. We got 6 there. Let's see. 6 was Harry Potter. Got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a t-shirt. Next we got Alex. You got 2. Alex, who were you? You were Pikachu, right?
Yeah.
1, 2. You're still safe. You got a scarf. You have to wear a scarf in winter, right?
Yeah.
Taylor, which one were you? Taylor was the big penguin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you? Okay, you got pants, Taylor. And then Brooke got 1, 2. You got to go. Let me roll for you. There you go. You got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just missed the bomb. And then the brother, I forgot to roll for the brother. You got 5. Who's the winner? Who's the furthest? Harry Potter is the winner tonight. Oh, very good. Great job, everybody. Nice to see you tonight. Well, now it's evening now where I am. What's the time where you are? Is the sun still shining?
11:37 a.m.
11:37 p.m. p.m. Jay.
No, a.m. a.m.
I was gonna say, wow, you stay up quite late. Brooke, Taylor, what about you guys?
11:37 a.m. like Jacob.
Also a.m. So Taylor,
And
your time must be the same, right? All in Canada, yeah? Okay. Alex okay, nice to see everybody. Nice to meet you. Okay, have a great day where you are. Let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye, Abhishek.
bye. Yeah,
Good.
Ah, it was great meeting. It was great seeing
fun.
everybody.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 See you.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye.